Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, in your previous lecture we have discussed about what? About the new chapter that I have introduced to you about the phrases and the clauses, right? Where we have discussed the basic definition, examples, as well as we have discussed about noun phrase and noun clauses, right? So we will continue that part since certain more types of clauses and phrases are remaining. So let us explore them with certain different examples which will help you to understand the terms in a more better way, right? So the next that we are going to study is about adjective phrase and adjective clauses. Okay, adjective phrase and adjective clauses. To understand this, let me just write an example over here. With the help of that example, we will try to understand this term in a more better way. Okay, so the example is the book with beautiful photos is mine. Okay. The book which has beautiful photos is mine. Now just look at the two sentences. The book with beautiful photos is mine. The book which has beautiful photos is mine. See, what did I told you? That phrases are what? Which do not have subject or a predicate, right? On the other hand, clauses are what? Which do have a subject or a predicate of its own, and they might have a finite verb as well, right? So that is the reason they are called as what? Clauses. So here what you can find the difference between the two sentences. These two examples, just read it once again. The book with beautiful photos is mine. Here in the first group of sentences, this is what? Beautiful photos is mine. Okay. So here what is describing? It describes about what sort of book is mine, right? It is describing about what sort of book is mine. With beautiful photos is mine. The book is with beautiful photos is mine. So here it is what? Here it is a phrase. This is what? This is a phrase. Okay, but what is happening? It does the work of an adjective. What here? This is the book. This is referring to a noun and it does a work of an adjective. This is referring to a noun. The word book is referring to a noun, but it works as an adjective, and that is the reason since it is a phrase, it is known as what? Adjective phrase. क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको? Adjective phrase. Okay? देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन एक ही है. What sort of book? Okay, so the book with beautiful photos is mine. What sort of book is mine? The book with beautiful photos is mine. So this is a phrase, but here the book is referring to a noun, but it is acting as an what? Adjective. It does a work of an adjective. That is the reason this is what? This is an adjective phrase. On the other hand, if you look at the second sentence, the book which has beautiful photos is mine. Now here, which has beautiful photos? This is what? This is your subject and this is predicate of its own. Okay, and since this is having subject and predicate, it is called as what? Clause. Okay, this is what? A clause, right? So since here also it is acting, it does a work of an adjective. The book, the word, the book is acting as an adjective. It works, it does a work of an adjective. It is called as what? Adjective clause. क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको? इसको बोलेंगे हम adjective clause. So the group of word which have a subject and a predicate and does a work of an adjective is known as what? Adjective clause. The group of words, okay, which contains subject and a predicate and does a work of what? An adjective. adjective, it is known as what? Adjective clause. ठीक है, तो जैसा हमने adjective noun पढ़ा था उसी तरीके से ये क्या है? ये adjective clause है. Okay, now we will continue with what? Adverb phrases and adverb clauses. Adverb phrases and adverb clauses. Okay, how you are going to understand the differences between this noun, adjective and adverb? Okay, I'll write two sentences over here. She sang at sunset. Okay, she sang when evening came. Now here in both the sentences, she sang at sunset, she sang when evening came. What question arises? Sang when, है ना? Sang when? Sang when? At sunset. Sang when evening came. Right? Are you getting my point? So here at sunset, this is acting as an what? This is what you are. This is not acting. This is a phrase. Okay, this is a phrase as it does not contain a subject and a predicate. Okay, so here it is giving an answer sang when at sunset and what बता दो रहा है कब गाया उसने at sunset. So ये क्या है? ये आपका phrase है. Now it is doing what? This particular is describing about or it does work about on an adverb, right? So that is the reason it is what? It is an adverb phrase. Okay, ये क्या है आपका? Adverb phrase. It does work as an adverb. That is the reason it is an adverb phrase. But when you look at the second sentence, the second group of words, what they are determining, what they are telling us, that when she sang, okay, when evening came. So this is what? This is your clause. Why this is your clause? Because evening is your subject and came is your what? Predicate of its own. Okay, so ये आपको कहना बहुत ज़रूरी है of its own, क्योंकि इसका अपना ही तरीका है बताने का, है ना. इसलिए मैं बार बार हर सेंटेंस में जब मैं प्रेडिकेट ये बता रही होती हूँ, सब्जेक्ट बता रही होती हूँ, तो मैं ऑफ इट्स ओन बताती हूँ आपको, ताकि आपको ध्यान रहे कि आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ देखिए, इट इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट व्हेन इवनिंग केम. शी sang when evening came. So it is having a subject and a predicate. So when it is having a subject and predicate, what do we say? It's a clause and it describes about the adverb. It does work as an adverb. That is the reason it is called as what? Adverb clause. Okay, ये क्या है? ये आपका adverb clause है. So what could be the definition? The group of words which have or which contain subject and a predicate and does the work of an adverb is known as what? Adverb clause. ठीक है, क्या कहा मैंने? The group of words that contain subject and predicate and does the work of an adverb is known as what? Adverb clause. ना आपको पता है, जब आपने एडवर्ब्स पढ़ा था आपकी लोअर क्लासेस में, है ना, और जब मैंने आपको भी एडवर्ब पढ़ाया था तो मैंने आपसे कहा था कि एडवर्ब्स के भी सब टाइप होते हैं, है ना. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, राइट. सो सिमिलरली वी हैव certain adverb phrases as well. So there are different type of adverb phrases as well. Let us see what are the types. Okay, so types of adverbs phrases. So the first one is adverb phrase of manner. Adverb phrase of manner. It tells us about, or it tells us in which manner the action is done. Okay, in which manner the action is done. How you can understand it with a simple example like this. Rajat smiled, okay, in a warm manner. Okay, so in a warm manner, Rajat smiled in a warm manner. This is what? This is adverb phrase of manner. ओके, ये क्या बता रहा है आपको? एडवर्ब फ्रेज ऑफ मैनर. सिमिलरली वी हैव व्हाट? एडवर्ब फ्रेज ऑफ व्हाट? एडवर्ब फ्रेज ऑफ प्लेस. Okay, adverb phrase of place. What it tells? It tells us where the action is done. It tells us about the place where the action is done. So we could write over here, we were looking for you everywhere, every possible way, every possible place. Okay, so we were looking for you in every possible place. Okay, in every possible place. So it telling us about what? Adverb phrase of place, है ना, when where the action is done. सिमिलर है, जैसे एडवर्ब के सब टाइप्स है, उसी तरीके से एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस की भी सब टाइप्स है. लाइक यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पे वी हैव एडवर्ब. ओके, एडवर्ब फ्रेज ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, what it is going to tell us? It is going to tell us about when the action is done. Time क्या बताता है? When the action is done. Like for an example, flowers emits fragrance during the day. Okay, during the day. So during the day means what? We are telling about the time. When do flowers emit fragrance? During the day. Okay, so it is adverb phrase of time. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे पास एडवर्ब्स के सब टाइप्स है, वैसे ही एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस के भी सब टाइप है, और उसी तरीके से हमारे पास है डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस एज वेल. ओके, तो चलिए उसको भी देख लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कंटिन्यू विथ एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस. ओके, एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस ऑफ टाइम. Adverb clauses of time. So likewise we have adverb phrases of time, adverb phrases of manner, and adverb phrases of place. So similarly we have adverb clause of time. So what it tells us when about the time of action. Okay, it tells us about the time of action. Like you can say the match stopped when it started to rain. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? यहाँ देखिए, I hope that this is visible to you. The match stopped when it started to rain. So when it started to rain, this is your clause part. Okay, so why whenever you have this adverb clause of time, where it will begin from, देखिए words like when, since, before, after, as. ओके, तो वर्ड्स जहाँ से इस तरीके का, या फिर while, ये वर्ड्स जहाँ से बिगेन होते हैं, वहाँ पर हमें क्या पता चलता है? दैट दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ टाइम. ओके, क्या डिनोट करता है वो? इट इज डिनोटिंग अबाउट द एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ टाइम. सिमिलरली सेकंड वी हैव adverb clause of place. Okay, adverb clause of place. So it is telling about the place of action. Adverb clause of place is telling about the place of action. Like I looked for you wherever I could. Okay, so wherever I could. Okay, so wherever I could, this is your clause. So always remember, if it is adverb clause of place, it will either begin with what? Where or wherever. Okay, so if it is beginning with where or wherever, then definitely it is telling us about what? Adverb clause of place. Okay, then third we have adverb clause of manner. Adverb clause of manner means what? In which manner this particular action is done. Okay, so it is what adverb, or since it is a clause, so the sentence will be what, it will be in the form of what, in the form of a manner. It is denoting in which manner the action is done, right? So we can write an example of this over here. It seemed as if he had been lost. Okay, it seemed as if he had been lost. ऐसा लगता है उसे देख के कि वो कहीं खो गया है. ओके, तो कैसा लगता है उसे, उस मैनर को बताया गया है ना. तो एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ मैनर, इट सीम्ड एज इफ ही हैड बीन लॉस्ट. So whenever you have an adverb clause of manner, always remember that it will begin with as or as if, as though, okay, or as. ठीक है, इन वर्ड्स के साथ अगर ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो डेफिनेटली इट इज व्हाट, एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ मैनर. ओके, देन अगेन वी हैव वन मोर, दैट इज एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ रीजन. Okay, we have adverb clause of reason. Reason means what is the reason behind the action? It is telling us about it. Okay, it is telling us about what is the reason behind that action. Like for example over here, she went to the office because her boss wanted to meet her or wanted to meet. Okay, so she went to the office because her boss wanted to meet. So it is telling us about the reason why she went to the office, because her boss wanted to meet. Okay, so it will begin with the words like because, since, or it could be like or, as, that. ओके, ऐसे वर्ड्स के साथ जहाँ पर आपको रीज़न पता चल रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न, बिकॉज ऑफ ड्यू टू दिस रीज़न, सिंस आई वॉज. तो ये वर्ड्स कैसे डिनोट करते हैं, इट इज डिनोटिंग अबाउट व्हाट, एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ अ रीज़न. वन मोर पार्ट इज ओवर देयर दैट इज गिवन. ओके, सो दैट इज एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ व्हाट, कंपैरिजन. Okay, adverb clause of comparison. So what it is telling, it is comparing, it is the comparison of qualities. Okay, it is what, it is telling us the comparison of qualities. Like you can say it is, or it is cooler than it was yesterday. Okay, then it was yesterday. So then it was yesterday, it is what, this is your clause. Okay, so here what you are comparing today with yesterday, right? So generally ये किससे begin होते हैं, than, or as, no less than. इन words के साथ जब begin होते हैं तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, this is adverb clause of comparison. तो ये बहुत important है in the form of MCQs, in the form of आपको different questions ये आपको पूछे जाते हैं. सेंटेंस में आपको पता होना चाहिए. देखिए, जब कभी भी एडवर्ब्स की बात आती है, वहाँ एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखिए कि वहाँ पर आपको उसके सब टाइप्स भी पढ़ने होते हैं, है ना. चाहे वो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हो, ओके, या फिर वो टाइम से रिलेटेड हो, प्लेस हो, रीज़न हो, कंपैरिजन हो, क्वालिटी हो, क्वांटिटी हो, ये सब आप पढ़ चुके हैं, है ना. तो ये सभी कुछ इंटर रिलेटेड है. ओके, ये आप अपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, आपकी एलिमेंट्री क्लासेस में भी आपको पढ़ाया जा चुका है. दिस इज़ नॉट न्यू. व्हाट इज़ न्यू टू यू इन दिस चैप्टर इज़ अबाउट एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस, एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस, adjective phrases, adjective clauses, noun clauses, noun phrases, their subtypes, these are new to you. So हमेशा याद रखिए, जब आप पढ़ते हैं, जितने भी आप हायर क्लासेस में जाएंगे तो वो एक लेवल अप रहेगा, है ना. जो भी आपका कंटेंट रहेगा, दैट विल बी व्हाट, दैट विल बी लेवल अप. ओके, सो इसके अलावा भी एक और आपको दिया हुआ है जो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन है, विच इज़ व्हाट, रिलेटिव क्लॉज. ओके, इसके बाद एक जो इंडिविजुअल चैप्टर के तौर पर आपको पढ़ाया जाता है, ये है रिलेटिव क्लॉज. तो रिलेटिव क्लॉज क्या होते हैं, इट इज़ लाइक ऑफन एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. ओके, इट इज़ ऑफन एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज हम बोल सकते हैं इसको, विच डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट अ नाउन और एन एडजेक्टिव. जनरली इसमें आप जो क्लॉजेस पढ़ते हैं उसमें 3 पार्ट होते हैं, what, that. ये 3 पार्ट पर बेसिस आपका ये पूरा चैप्टर होता है. सिंस इट इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड और सिंस इट इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन दिस रिलेटिव क्लॉजेस. पर एक बात याद हमेशा रखिए कि रिलेटिव क्लॉजेस क्या होते हैं. दीज आर ऑफन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉजेस. दे डिस्क्राइब अबाउट व्हाट, नाउन एंड एडजेक्टिव. ओके, इसमें 3 तरीके के यूज होते हैं, विच, व्हाट एंड दैट, रेफरिंग टू, डिपेंड्स अपॉन whom it has been referred to by the speaker. Okay, so totally depends upon to whom it has been referred to by the speaker. That is really important. एडवर्ब, अगर क्लॉजेज या एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस के बारे में बात करें तो वो मैं आपको डिटेल में पढ़ा चुकी हूँ. क्लॉजेज के लिए हमेशा एक बात ध्यान रखिए, इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विच contains what, subject and a predicate, and does work of an, either it is adjective or an adverb. It does a work of an adjective, then it is an adjective clause, and if does a work of an adverb, then it is an adverb clause. ओके, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर हायर क्लासेस एज वेल. तो जितना डिटेल में हो सकता था मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है. ये जितने भी एग्जांपल्स के साथ मैंने आपको दिया है, डू नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. इट विल डेफिनेटली बी बेनिफिटेड इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल व्हेन यू वांट टू रिकॉल योर नॉलेज. Okay, in your next lecture we will be discussing about the exercise that is given in the book. Okay, good day students. Take care.